Most Amazon sellers don't know how to protect their listings from competitors' ads. In this video, I'll show you how to lock down your listing with a Shield campaign. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you can see right here, I type in Zesty Paws on Amazon and I see no competitors whatsoever. First off, what pops up is a whole video showcasing their products. Then it shows shop by category. Then it shows a whole plethora of their products. Again, another whole line. It doesn't show pretty much any competitor products. And what they have to do this is they have to run ads against their own product, right? And that does have a really good effect because you can see competitors could run ads and try to steal their sales, and they're not, because Zesty Paws is kicking them out with Shield campaigns. Now, to create a Shield campaign, right, what you want to do is go into Amazon Ads, click Create Campaign, and there's different types of Shield campaigns, right? So this one is a video campaign, which is a little bit more difficult to do. But what I'm going to show you is the ones that are the easiest to do, which is going to be these ones that pop up. So when somebody types in your brand name or Zesty Paws, Calming Bites, or Zesty Paws, Hip Joints, you show up every time. These campaigns do have a very, very low ACoS. I'm just going to be completely honest. So they do, like, you're barely going to be spending money, and they protect your listing. So you're just going to click add product, whatever, just do one product for right now because you want to test it out. You're going to do manual targeting, and you're going to do keyword targeting. So what we're going to do is broad, and you're just going to put in your brand name, right? So if your brand name is Zesty Paws, we're literally just going to put in Zesty Paws, and that's it. And then start with the regular keyword, right? And just do broad match. That's going to be your first one. But what you can also do is do one broad, one phrase, and one exact. That's probably going to be a lot better. Let's put that in. And now if anybody types in Zesty Paws and then something else like Zesty Paws Chews, Zesty Paws for dogs, yours is going to show up. If somebody types in Zesty Paws, the exact match Zesty Paws, this listing is going to show up, which should be Zesty Paws. Again, if this was Zesty Paws, I'm running it against my own ad, right? Zesty Paws. Again, Zesty Paws phrase, if someone types in that in, a phrase that's related to Zesty Paws, you're showing up again. And again, these ads have very, very low ACoS. And what people are searching for is your product. So again, the click-through rate's really good. Everything's usually really, really good on this. So you usually don't lose money. The only thing that's really, really good about this, another thing that's really, really good about this is that the competitors aren't going to be showing up and trying to take your sales. So a lot of times, if you type in your brand name right now on Amazon, you're going to see the first sponsored product is going to be competitors. And you don't want that. You don't want people buying from competitors. They're literally looking for your product. So make sure that your product shows up first. And this is one of the best ways to do it, right? Another way is going to be, let's remove this, is when they click through on your listing. So if someone clicks on your listing, what's going to happen a lot of the times is competitors are going to show up. So look, similar item to consider, or in your frequently bought together, competitors are going to show up. You want to try to show up as well on your listing. So when people are looking on your listing, it just has your products. So what you can do is do a category product targeting. So again, you're going to do individual products, enter list, exact, and then you're going to put the ASIN of your own product. So if this is my product right here, I'm going to put my ASIN of my own product, and that's going to make sure that I show up on my own product. Again, so it's going to show your product, people are like, let me look down. And it says, shows your product again, shows your product again, shows your product again. And that's going to make sure that customers are like, I'll just buy your product. And it kind of helps double down on them buying your own product. So the first way I showed you is if they are just searching and browsing. The second way I showed you is if when they actually click on your listing and now they're looking at your listing, and that's going to be product retargeting, right? So again, dynamic bids low as possible, and you want to lower this bid. Well, you can first start it with a suggested bid, but what you're going to do is just slowly lower this bid as low as humanly possible, and you'll still get clicks because usually people don't run against your own brand name, and you'll show up first. So again, this is a great way. I really recommend testing this out before you throw this out, because Zesty Paws is doing it. A lot of the top sellers are doing it, and it's extremely cheap to do. So you might as well double down and stop your competitors from taking your sales, and double down on your own, so that way competitors aren't taking your sales. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your Amazon ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we're not only going to be managing your ads, we're going to be calling Amazon for you, managing your designs, optimizing your titles, your bullet points, your A+ content, your brand story, increasing sales, and helping you expand internationally if that's something you want to do. The best part about this service is you can focus on your business instead of the tiny data in your business and the problems. We're going to be monitoring all your problems. We'll be fixing all of them. We'll be managing your ads so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.